If you're looking for a game dev job or know somebody who is, then pay attention to this video because I'm going to share with you the best resource that I know of for game developers. I know I've shared in the past a couple great websites that have lots of job postings, but a few months ago, a buddy of mine, Andrew, thank you, shared me this guy's LinkedIn page, Amir, and it's just amazing. Apparently he's been doing this for a very long time, but he's got a crazy amount of video game job resources. If you go directly to his page, let's just go check it out real quick. You'll see that it's very heavily focused on game developers and championing game makers since 1985. But the part that I think is most exciting for people looking for game dev jobs is this right here. Go to the video game career resources and you'll see that he's got a lot of stuff. First, there's a form where you can sign up and put in your own info so you can share that you're looking for a job and recruiters can reach out to you. There's another one for people who've been recently laid off only. So if you've been in that case and you've been laid off looking for a job, they got a special form for you. He's got a mentorship program. They got free mentors. And if you're interested in being a mentor, you should probably check that out too. If you're already good at it and maybe share some of that knowledge. But he's also got LinkedIn reviews and CV or resume reviews, and then the game jobs directory. And I think that this is there's a lot of other stuff down here, a career job pack and a game org support posts if your group has been laid off. But I think the part you're going to care most about is this game jobs directory. It's got a list of basically every game dev job out there, all of the options, all of the things that are available. You've got to look through it, but there's a ton of info here. And it says here, for this resource, use the Excel tabs at the bottom. You got to go down here. You can read all of the info. I'm not going to make you read it all with me, but you can go through and look at all of the different fields. There's game design jobs over here, right off screen. This page is huge, but you can see that there's a ton of options, a ton of stuff here, and really just a ton of information on all of the game jobs available. So 87 game design jobs available, and then some that were flexible, 97 more. You go over to engineering and programming tech, 356, and it's got links directly to them with the amount of jobs at each place. And this is updated constantly. So definitely recommend you check it out. If you're looking for a game dev job, you know somebody who is, send this over to them, share it. And if you know something else that's another great resource, please drop it in the comments and I'll try to share that in a future video. All right, thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.